How to fix QuillBot not working in Google Chrome issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can fix if your QuillBot is not working in Google Chrome. Now, if the QuillBot is not working on Google Chrome, then the first thing you want to do is refresh your browser. So go ahead and click on the refresh button and then check if your issue is fixed. You can also simply close the browser and open it again and then check if QuillBot is working now. If it is not working, then the next thing you want to do is contact the customer support of QuillBot. For that, click on the profile icon and click on the Contact Us option. Once you're here, enter your name, email address, and the error that you are facing in this message box. Now click on the Send option. Now the customer support will look into your issue and fix the QuillBot issue in no time. Now, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of Google Chrome. Then you want to click on the About Chrome option. Here, it is automatically going to check for any new updates. As you can see, Chrome is updating. So once it has been updated to the latest version, any issue with QuillBot will be fixed. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on the Privacy and Security option, and from here, click on Delete Browsing Data option. Here, you want to select cookies and cached image and files and click on the Delete Data option. Once you delete all the cache of Google Chrome, you want to open QuillBot and check if that fixes your issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.